All right, concept number 7, which is point slope form. Our objective for this lesson is I can write a linear equation given a point and slope or 2 points. Okay, that's our objective for this lesson. So I can write a linear equation given a point and slope or 2 points. So far we've learned about slope-intercept form, which is really the equation of a line we want to get to. But sometimes we are given a point and a slope and we don't know what to do with it. Well, that's where point-slope formula comes in, because we want to find the equation of a line through this point, with this slope. So here's how we do it. We're going to figure out how to write an equation of a line when given a point and the slope. So here's the equation. The formula is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay? Be sure to distribute and solve for y1. Or sorry, just y. We're going to do that in these examples here when I show you how to use this formula to write the equation of a line. You're going to find out it's going to be really, really, really easy. Okay? So we're going to do the odds together. Right. So x1 and y1, let me come back here, come from a point. Okay? They're going to give you a point. x1 and y1 come from that point, and the m is the slope that they give you. So in number 1, my point is 4, 1. Well, this is my x1 and my y1. Okay, my slope is 2, so that's my m. One thing about this form is y and x never change. y1 and x1 change, but y and x do not change. Okay, so we're going to plug in all of these variables and solve for y. That's what our goal is. Okay, so we're going to go y minus y1 is 1 equals m, which is 2, times x minus, our x1 is 4. So we took our numbers and we plugged them in, and now we're going to solve for y. So now we're going to do this distribute and solve for y business. Distribute this, okay, y minus 1 equals, well, 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And then I need to get y by itself, so I'm going to add 1. Y equals 2x. Negative 8 plus 1 is negative 7. And that's it. Okay, that's how you use point-slope form. Let's do another one together. So x1, y1, m. I'm still 6, so we'll see how we do. We're going to plug them in. y minus y1, which is 0, equals m 2/3 times x minus negative 6. Okay, so minus turns into a plus. I'm going to distribute this 2/3. Y minus 0 is just y, so that's easy. 2/3 times x is 2/3 x. Alright, so here's the trick when you're multiplying a whole number by a fraction. You're going to divide and then multiply. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And that's it for that. Okay, let's do number 5. Do pink this time. Alright. x1, y1, m. You don't have to write these down every single time, but I'm doing this just so that we can get used to where we're going to plug these things in. So y minus y1, which is negative 3, equals m, negative 1, times x minus 4. Distribute. Minus turns into a plus, so this is actually y plus 3. Negative 1 times x is just negative x. Negative 1 times negative 4 is a positive 4. And I'm going to subtract 3 to get y by itself. So negative x plus 1. That's it. Okay. We have a few more examples to do on the next page. All right, and those are going to have to deal with how to write in point slope form given 2 points.